These Tombstone and Ghost boxes would be perfect for holding some fun treats for Halloween parties and for a chance to show off your Halloween puns. So let's craft it. Upload the Tombstone treat box file into Design Space. If you don't have a Cricut, you can print the PDF version and cut it by hand too. This file is available on my website, which is linked in the description. The treat box template will open up as layers. Make sure to change the fold lines from cut to score. The line should change from solid to dotted. To add the wording on the boxes, I just used a font that I had in Cricut Design Space, and then make sure that it is set to draw and not cut or score. I had a lot of fun finding some puns to put on the tombstones, but you could use R.I.P or names too. Make sure that when you add the wording that you place it where you want on the tombstone template, and then select the wording, the tombstone shape, and the score lines and attach them all together. On the cutting screen, set the dial between light cardstock and cardstock depending on what paper you choose and how sharp your blade is, and have the proper tools inserted like the scoring tool or the marker. I'm going to be using the fine point Cricut marker for this go just because my font is so tiny. If you want to make the ghosts, you can also use some circles and attach them into a face on the box. Just make sure to change the circle shapes from cut to draw, and then you can add in some fun facial expressions by hand, or you can always just draw on the ghost faces completely by hand too. After the Cricut has cut out the boxes, add in any detailing you want with the markers, and then glue the box together using the little tabs that the score lines made. I like to use double-sided tape for this just because it has a stronger hold and it's quite a bit faster. I hope you love this super quick Halloween craft. I can't wait to see what yummy Halloween themed treats and toys you put into these DIY Halloween Tombstone and Ghost treat boxes. Keep crafting, keep smiling, and don't forget to subscribe.